and welcome to this tutorial video to show how to use app.zeevou.com. First, you should enter your username and password to log in. Then, you are landed in the bookings dashboard with no available bookings. On the left menu, you can view calendar, bookings, pricing, listings, owner portal, guests, finance, marketing. The calendar's view is empty because there are no listings added, so you should add your listing. To do so, navigate on the menu and click on Listings. On the Listings landing page, you can click on Create a Listing or Import Listings from Airbnb. You can import listings from Airbnb directly instead of creating them manually. To do so, click on the Import Airbnb Listings button on the top right corner. Then, a window will open for you to paste the Airbnb URL or ID. To find the URL link in Airbnb, you should log in to Airbnb and switch to hosting. Go to your listings. Select the listing you need the URL from. Click on the View icon on the bottom left side. Click on Share on the top right and then select Copy Link. Then, paste it in your Zeevou account. Finally, click on Import. For more information on how to import your listing from Airbnb, you can review the related article located in the Getting Started section of our support website, below the Import or Create Listings tab. Or watch this tutorial video on our video library or YouTube channel demonstrating the process. The links are all provided in the caption. After adding your listing, you can view and edit your listing details by navigating to different tabs on different levels, such as Details, Pricing and Availabilities, Policies, and Marketing on the property level. On unit level, there are tabs of Details, Pricing and Availabilities, Instructions, and Marketing. For more information, study this article on support website regarding listing tabs. Since API connection is not supported for Sparks, you can manually connect your Zeevou calendar by importing and exporting iCal links from and to channels on unit or unit type level. Please note that using iCal synchronization only blocks your Zeevou calendar for the dates you have bookings on channels, and it does not show booking details in Zeevou. For more information, study these two articles on our support website on exporting and importing iCal links. Then, you can click on the gear icon and select Settings to configure your organization settings. On the Setting dashboard, there are 5 tabs: Contact Details, Booking, Finance, Messaging, and Localization. Under the Contact Details tab, you can add and edit your contact info and social media. Click on Add Info to insert more details. Under the Booking tab, you have 2 cards to set conditions for check-in ready and auto checkout. You can click on Manage Conditions to set your desired conditions. On the auto checkout card, if you turn on the toggle of auto checkout, it will automatically update the booking status to checked out at midnight after the scheduled checkout date. Under the Finance tab, you have 3 cards: Custom Transaction Cost, Bank Account Info, and Invoice. On Invoice card, you can select the sections you want to be displayed on your invoices. Under the Messaging tab, you can add email signature to have it at the end of all outgoing messages. Under the Localization tab, you can edit the nights leading into the weekends. For more information, read the article about settings on our support website. You can find it in the Using Zeevou section, below the Branding tab. The link is also provided in the caption of this video. Then, to integrate your payment gateway, click on the gear icon and select Integrations. On the Integrations dashboard, you can find all integrations in one page, or separate tabs of operations, dynamic pricing, Open API, Zapier, Communications, Website, and Payments. Under the Payments tab, select your desired payment gateway to get connected. You will need it for setting the confirmation process. To configure notification settings, you can click on the bell icon on the top of your screen. A window opens and you can click on the gear icon. For notification settings, you can also click on the profile icon and select Profile. On the Profile dashboard, go to the Notifications tab. To activate the notifications for the items of your choice, click on the arrow in front of each category to open the drop-down and toggle them on. Note that there are 6 categories for notifications, and each category has its own subcategory. If you want to set specific rates for certain dates, go to Calendar Toolbox and select Create Rates. When you click on Create Rate, a window will appear in which you can select based on nightly, weekly, or monthly. For example, if you select nightly, you will be directed to a new page to insert the information in 2 steps. For more information, you can watch this video demonstrating how to set your own rates. Then, to customize the booking confirmation steps, you should click on the gear icon and select Confirmation Process. You will be directed to a page where you can set different content settings for general info, guest info, terms and conditions, upsell and payment, security deposit and success page. To learn more about booking confirmation settings, watch this tutorial video. You can create a dummy booking to test your set steps. To do so, you can click on the plus icon. Then, a panel opens in which you can insert location, check-in and check-out times, and the guest number. For more information, this tutorial video shows 2 ways to create a booking with Zeevou. For creating automated messages, you should click on the gear icon and select Automated Messages. Then, you will be directed to a page where you can set different times, conditions, and messages. To learn more about creating automated messages, watch this tutorial video. To design your website, go to Marketing and click on the 3 dots to select Website Settings. Then, you will be directed to the Marketing dashboard with 3 tabs of General Settings, Pages, and Blogs. On General Settings, there are 5 tabs to view and edit: Theme and Design, Header, Footer, Site Management, and Chat via WhatsApp. For Pages, there are 4 tabs of Single Pages, Listings, Cities, and Countries. Under Blogs, you can create and edit posts, categories, and tags. Thank you for watching. Enjoy using Zeevou.